friends, Running Kimono here. We are in store over at Walgreens for the week of July the 19th to the 25th. Lots of deals, including a freebie that you supposedly could find at Walgreens, although I've never seen that mac and cheese, but we're going to talk about it at a couple different stores. Towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you a $35 basket to get a whole bunch of magic for 66 cents each. If you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And if you have the hype button, if you can press that as well, like do both at the same time, you would make my Sunday. Let's get right into this with the first freebie. And this is an 8x10 print, one per account, using the code BONFIRE. It expires on the 21st, which is Tuesday. You have some free food, so anywhere you can do this deal, I think you should, especially if you're looking for free food. This restaurant edition of the mac and cheese, Walmart, Meijer, or Walgreens, according to IBOTTA. Check your IBOTTA that you have the $3.49 limit of up to 3 times with the $2 bonus, and I had an extra 10 cents when I bought any macaroni. Over on the Fetch Rewards app, 3,000 points when you buy them in increments of 2. Mine was specific to Meijer, so you might want to check if yours is specific to Walmart or Target. I know they're picking different stores depending where you live. So grabbing 4 of these boxes, it's the best way to do it at $3.49 a box. For me, that's $13.96. Getting 6,000 points back from Fetch, 3,000 for every pair, plus $12.47 from IBOTTA, including the $2 bonus. It makes this free plus a $4.51 moneymaker. So if your Walgreens has this, I mean, that's the place to get it. Also, Walmart, Target, Meijer, depending what grocery store you might have, I would definitely try and make this deal happen today, which is Sunday the 19th. It's going to go very quickly because it's such a hot deal, especially for free food. As predicted, the World Cup merchandise is 80% off. This is both online and in-store. So if you wanted a memento from the World Cup, definitely at 80% off. That is the correct price. I know around here there was a ton left. So yeah, definitely, if you had your eye on something, get it at 80% off. Okay, the first deal we're going to talk about is not a freebie, but a cheapie. I think there must have been a typo in last week's flyer. Shame on them. But we're going to load this, which is a 6 off a 2 coupon, and we're going to have to grab the $6 toothpaste, $5 reward when you buy 2 of these. Although last week it looked like you could line it up perfectly. Unless with the toothbrushes you can find one for $5 that's working with this. I couldn't this morning. But 2 tubes of the toothpaste for $12. We're going for fancy. Subtracting our coupon, you're going to pay $6, get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Next deal that I think is absolutely fantastic is on the Purex liquid and the pods that are $1.99. This is typically like close to $8 or $9 on a non-sales week. And this is the promotion, so you'll look for it and grab 1 of each, 1 pod and 1 liquid, because over on IBOTTA, they're giving back 50 cents for both with a limit of up to 1 time. So that's $1 back, so why not? And if you have not signed up for IBOTTA, sign up today. Between the free mac and cheese and this, it's a terrific app to be using. Grabbing 1 pod and 1 liquid at $1.99 each, that's $3.98. You're going to pay that. And then photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $1 back, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per item. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And if you're working on a weekend warrior, this is 2 items off of the list. Super smart. Some very inexpensive feminine care. Buy one, get one 50% off. Carefree Playtex. $5 reward when you spend $15 or more. Now, for this one, we're going to grab the Playtex at, I think it's going to be like $12, $12.99. There's a $1 coupon. And then the cheaper bag of the pads, it'll drop down to $2.99 at 50% off. And we have a $1 digital for that. These are our friends that we're going to load, and we don't often get deals for Playtex tampons. So if this is something you've wanted to stock up on or your favorite, I would definitely do this deal because it's a very good price point. Over on Fetch, spend $12 to get back 4,500 points, specifically at Walgreens. double, triple check you have the same rebate as I. You don't want to do the deal and not get this rebate. Okay, so very straightforward. One of the Playtexes and one of the Carefree pads for $15.98. Buy one, get one 50% off. Load the $2 digital coupons. You're going to pay $13.98. Get back a $5 register reward. Photograph your receipt for 4,500 points back from Fetch. It makes it $4.48 for the two or $2.24 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Please, please, please pay attention that you're grabbing the right items that are tagged properly at your store, and make sure you have the right Fetch rebate. Pay attention, very, very important. The next deal is for some cheap Degree deodorant. See at 12 o'clock, that one at $5.49. You're going to be grabbing two of those. Do this deal earlier in the week. Somebody's going to want to grab that. This morning we got an 8 off of 2 that is attaching to that little cutie pie, so we're grabbing two of the cheap ones. Two of those deodorants is $10.98. Subtracting that giant coupon, you're paying $2.98 for the two or $1.49 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Check your Fetch Rewards rebate app in case there might be something for Degree. Mine is specifically at CVS and Target, so they know I don't have either of those stores. So that's where my offer is. Okay, now we're looking at the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo, and this is a shampoo that we often don't get a lot of deals on, so if you wanted to stock up on this, this is the week to do it. This morning we got a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and there's also a promotion on the Elvive that when you buy 2, you get back a $3 register reward. Two of these friends, it's going to be $10.38. Subtracting the $3 coupon, you're paying $7.38, getting back a $3 register reward, making it $4.38 for the two or $2.19 per shampoo. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But again, as stated, class, this is one that we don't often get deals on. This and Playtex. If you wanted to do both, these would be two deals to definitely stock up on this week. Another deal that we see often, but hey, why not, is the Axe body wash. It is 2 for $10 this week with a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. So we're going to be definitely loading our friend. And here's the promotion, a $2 reward when you buy 2 of these, and they're priced so cheaply this week. So 2 of these for $10, subtracting the coupon, you're going to pay $5, get back a $2 register reward. Remember, register rewards are in-store only. This amounts to $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now we have the OGX. It's buy one, get one 50% off, and it's typically $9.99. And we got a 4 off of 2 digital coupon this morning, so you're going to load this guy. And then the promotion is when you buy 2 of these, you're getting back a $4 register reward. So grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $14.98. Subtracting the coupon, you're going to pay $10.98. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per item. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And the Tresemme at $6. So the ones at 12 o'clock, you're going to see them tagged at your store. We're going to load this friend, which is the 4 off of 2 coupon. When you buy 2 of them this week, you're getting back a $3 register reward. So grabbing 2 of them, it's going to be exactly $12. Subtracting the coupon, you're going to pay $8. Getting back a $3 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Definitely the cheapest of the Garnier deals this week to grab 2 of the Fructis for $4.49 each. We have this 3 off of 2 digital coupon. The whole blends is like a couple bucks extra. So yeah, $4.49 for the 2, $3 reward when you buy 2 with a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Here's the math. 2 of them is $8.98. Subtracting your coupon, you're paying $5.98. Getting back a $3 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. So let's quickly talk about the $2.99 all detergent this week. We currently have a $1 digital coupon. It's $4.99. You're going to use that coupon, pay $3.99, and then photograph your receipt for $1 back from IBOTTA, dropping it down to $2.99. Now, last week, a lot of us were doing deals with the cough drops, and we got this $5, on any medication. If you wanted to get some bath salts, it will scan perfectly on that, and it's a medical product. Buy two, get one for free as well. And we have the buy one, get one 50% off on the Scott's toilet paper and paper towel. If you still might have these digital coupons, I have a deal for you. You're going to grab 4 of them for exactly $20, but it's actually going to be $15 after the buy one, get one 50% off. Subtracting $4 in digital coupons that I just showed you, you're paying $11 for the 4 or $2.75 per bag of paper. Aunt Rach says this is definitely a stock up price, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This cutesy little Airwick plug, and it's $4.49 this week with the $3 off digital coupon. It makes it $1.49. So if you're not a big Dollar General shopper and you're like, I would love some cheap air care, this is definitely a good price point to stock up for a cheap little kit. We also have the buy one, get two for free on the Walgreens food storage bags, making it 93 cents per. You have to buy them in increments of 3, but this is definitely a fabulous stock up price. Okay, so now we're going to look at a $35 basket using this, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I would grab for my basket this week. I'm going to start off with 2 Colgate Fancies at $6 a pop for $12, 2 OGX shampoos. Let's be real, I'm grabbing 2 conditioners because I love OGX conditioners. That's $14.98, and then 2 Axe body washes for $10 for a grand total of $36.98. I'm going to load my digital booster, and we're also subtracting $15 in digital coupons. We have the 6 off a 2 for Colgate, the 4 off a 2 for OGX, and a 5 off a 2 for the Axe. With your debit card, credit card, or bills, I'm paying $21.98, getting back $7 in Walgreens cash and $11 in register rewards, 5 for Colgate, 4 for OGX, and 2 for Axe. The final price point here is $3.98 for the 6 or 66 cents per unit. Do not use any Walgreens cash or that cough drop register reward because it's a store register reward. That cough drop register reward would actually make your balance $31.98, so you would be short. So don't use it, the cough drop register reward. You can use regular register rewards if it says manufacturer at the top, your debit, credit, or cash bills. And not a bad little deal at 66 cents per unit. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.